Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by getting the essentials ready. Confirm your Chromecast and controlling device are on the same Wi-Fi network, and gather router admin credentials and your VPN login. Decide the method. Install VPN directly on a compatible router, use a separate VPN-capable router as a gateway, or share a VPN connection from your PC or Mac. Once chosen, download the router VPN config or prepare the device that will share its VPN. Now log into the router or tethering device to begin configuration. You'll now configure the VPN on the network path Chromecast uses. If your router supports OpenVPN or WireGuard, upload the provider config and enter credentials. If not, set up a secondary VPN router and connect the primary router WAN to it. Change DNS to the VPN provider or a reliable public DNS, and enable a kill switch or firewall rule to prevent leaks. Assign a static IP or DHCP reservation to your Chromecast so its traffic consistently follows the VPN route, which simplifies casting and troubleshooting. You're ready to cast. Start playback from your app and verify the Chromecast's public IP or region via a network check tool on the same network or router status page. This confirms VPN routing. If playback fails, reboot Chromecast, router, and controlling device. Make sure the Chromecast IP is routed through the VPN gateway and try a different VPN server. If problems persist, temporarily share a PC/Mac VPN connection or use your VPN's Smart DNS option. These are common fallbacks that restore streaming quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.